Nice. Cool. Sorry, mate. I left a case in there, like a glass case. I don't know if you might have seen it. Yeah, might have been handed in.
I'm just looking mainly. Are you allowed back or not?
What's that?
Are you allowed back here?
Allowed back here? I don't know. I forget everyone's talking. You're supposed to.
You shouldn't be. I had to go down there twice. Do you not?
Oh. Yeah, go on inside. Catch your breath for a second. Have good fun.
I got pushed out.
Okay, that was poor performance from you. You just came down and went down straight. Marco, you lost your head. You lost your head. You're meant to stay with it. Wait for the clock.
I nearly won that by staying the very top of the side. Like, I nearly got Nico on the rack and chucked him down nearly. No, I got you down. Yeah, and then eventually, like, that was right at the top, you know.
Yeah,
you can stop that first ball.
I was trying to stay out of trouble, but you can't.
You can stop him when you get to go down.
Yeah, I know. You turned right, yeah. That's the way I have to do it.
I knew there was another rack that just flushed us out, but like, because you know, they all reported you, like,
Who kids?
when you were stuck in their places, like,
What did they say?
like the dad and all that, they were just kept going over there and like, the kids in the girlfriend.
Well, I'm flattered that he calls me a kid.
Yeah.
That's the only positive thing I think about that.
Yeah.
Still referred to as a kid. I mean, that's amazing. I'm very happy about that.
Yeah, I think I won by the way.
Nah, we all lost.
No, I won.
No, because we all had to get out at the same time because some people.
Well, no, but it's the last one that gets out.
No, we all came out together. Not far. Right then guys, I think survival is well and truly in full swing once again. Oh, everybody's ready, you're a legend!
Got a good right-handed jab. Nico, you're not going to get anyone if you're holding me like that. Push Nico down by himself. Push Nico down by himself. No, I think that's a very... I think it was setting up. Let's prove that I like it. We've all had a truce with each other. I think there's a lifeguard who's going to join us. We weren't meant to be 8 people today, instead we're 7. I think we're going to get our +1. When is he going to join us? Come on! Come on! Is Nicholas going to throw in the towel? I might not. The GoPro battery might go at this rate. We've been in there for so long. The lifeguard's going to come any minute. Wandering around like aimless people that have nothing better to do in our lives. We're just standing around. Come on, I think we need some action. I think we need some action. I could do it, you know. Why don't you run along and play with your chemistry set? Has left the arena. It is a war of attrition, ladies and gentlemen. A war of attrition. What? That's going to get people off. Team off. Team off. Team off. Are you going to say over this? Right, lads. You've been pissing about on the fucking slate. I'm fucking sick of you. Get the fuck down now! You fucking slide in the back! I'm the manager! I'm the big bastard! Holy shit! There he is, the man himself! Has come... I got stuck! I couldn't help myself! I'm so sorry! I got stuck! There was nothing I could have done! Sorry. No. Right, let's cut it out. Sorry mate, we're having a bit of fun. I can't go down. I don't think Get the fuck out of here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, they were angry. How angry were they on a scale of 1 to 10? I'm gonna say 100. Oh my word. I think we're gonna get kicked out now. We're getting kicked. They were fuming. They were fuming. I've never seen them so... That kid was so pissed off.
There's two other people.
I have a feeling I'm going to get kicked out.
No, it's nice here.
Yeah, I feel like. Yeah, he's coming. Look, he's coming. He's not having his right. He was just like, let's just hide. Should we hide underwater? Let's just. What's that? Where is he? They're coming out. They're going to have a word with us. Go back, it's coming around. Toilet area's there, mate. You alright? The toilet area's there for you. Not for the babies, you alright, bro? The toilet area is there for the babies, so there's not the ones that mess around in the tube. Toilet area? Aye, for the kids. For the kids. Like you and your pals.
Like me and my pals?
Aye. I mean, yeah, you could see it, I guess. Do you want to come and join us? Not at all, no. You're alright? No, the bairns are. Oh, yeah, I mean, you're welcome if you want. The bairns are right there by yourself. He's a decent swimmer. I can't hear what you're saying. The kids are really swim there by yourself. Sorry, no hablo español. So, Michael, what on earth happened there? Oh,
it's gone AWOL. Mission's gone south.
Mission's gone south. I mean, I have to say, that was some serious fireworks right at the end there.
When you get
not only was it the lifeguards giving us
spray, we also got sprayed.
They gave all sorts to us, didn't they? Expletives.
We're like, hey, your dickhead mates.
My goodness, my hair is a mess, as you can see. Ooh. Right then, let's go. Let's get out of here before they make us sign a waiver and ban us. Right, cheers. And that's us done for the day, boys. Goodness me. Well, it's fair to say that got a bit hectic in there. Is that a lifeguard out there? Do you have anything to say to us, maybe? I don't know. I have a feeling we're free to go back whenever we want.
That was so bad.
Kevin in his car, having a good time, having a disco. We should have brought a speaker, shouldn't we, Kevin? We should have had a dance in there. We should have asked the lifeguard if he wanted to join us.
And then you're acting lovely now, but you thought, well, the big man before.
What do you mean the big man? I'm not a big man. I just wanted to have a conversation. That's what I wanted to have a conversation.
With who?
Sorry about that. Just come on. You wanted to have a conversation with me?
Sorry?
You wanted to have a conversation?
Sorry, I can't understand you, mate. Sorry, what?
No, that's good. I agree with you. That's good. Look, honestly,
it's good crack. It's good crack.
It's good.
I've been barred from nightclubs. I've been barred from football grounds. As an adult, I've never been barred from a swimming pool. You should be embarrassed.
No, listen.
Good night, pal.
I'm sorry.
Stick it on YouTube. Have some fun.
I'm just trying to be. I'm sorry you missed your slide.
You're filming at me. I can literally see it.
All right.
It's
great.
You've been mugged off by a 12-year-old. Get yourself a wee home and get to bed.
Do you support Liverpool?
Unfortunately not. I'm not a victim. Don't worry.
Look, mate, I'm sorry we've ruffled your feathers. We don't mean to, cause any problems with people. But I'm sorry you missed your slide.
I
apologise for it. There you go.
Look, I'm sorry you missed your slide.
Actually, I'm sorry, I don't want to shoot.
Apologise. Let me apologise.
Come on, shake hands.
Well done.
Listen, take care, yeah? I wish you nothing but the best. Have a nice life. Right, I'm going to give a brief summary of what happened just then. So obviously, the slides were closing. It was right at the end of the pool. All of us literally just came down all at once. We went down. About 10 seconds later, another group of us came down. All of us in the first bit, all together, 2 dinghies piled on top of each other. And we were just waiting in there. We didn't know what to do. We were going to play survival, which is where last man standing. We were going to just push each other around, get each other out of the slide. Everybody's just debriefing it now. Let's go and see what they've got to say. My goodness me. That was some serious...
I saw a lifeguard when I came down.
As soon as I saw a lifeguard.
And then you're like, oh fuck! you saw his yellow shirt.
I went to
get your camera. He's just like a normal guy.
Oh god, I've left my case. I left my case now. I'm gonna go and get it back.
Like somebody, no way. They're letting
Nico, can I put this in here? Are you coming back to our house?
You're just causing the lifeguard.
Hold on, how much did it cost? Nah, it's not very much, but I want to get it back. So I'm going to try and get it back. Hi there, sorry. I think I left a case in there. I like the pool area. Thank you very much. Is it, am I right to go and just ask around and ask a bit? Thank you very much. Cool. Sorry mate. I left a case in there, like a glass case. I don't know if you might have seen it. It might have been handed in.
I'm just looking mainly. Are you allowed back or not?
What's that?
Are you allowed back here?
Allowed back here? I don't know. I don't think anybody's talking to you.
You shouldn't be. I had to go down there twice. Do you not?
Oh. I mean, look, we were just having a bit of fun. I know it's a bit annoying on a Saturday, on a, what was it, Thursday night.
Yeah.
We're just having a bit of fun. I understand. I get it from your side, honestly. I know we're a nuisance. I know we're a pain, but and I understand your frustration. I really do. But so we're just a bunch of guys trying to have a bit of fun.
Basically, it's not you lot. It's the other people that want to go down the side.
No, but it's our fault. Though. I get it. It's our fault.
Well, it is,
I get that.
But it means that I can't send anyone else.
I know, you're right. I know you just try to do it. And it's the last thing you do on Wednesday night. I get it. I do, honestly. We do recognise that, honestly. But we won't be back for a while, honestly. This is like a once in a year thing. Like we never, so we just want to like make.
I understand, yeah, honestly.
But I do apologise, though. I understand that we're a bunch of pricks.
I used to be a customer of Car One.
Yeah.
I was just there's these rules and I have to follow them.
Yeah, no, I agree with you. I absolutely agree with you. No, thank you very much. I appreciate that. No, so take care, yeah? Yeah, what's that? Sorry, mate. I really do apologise. Yeah, well, exactly. I know. And it's just like, we've got all our friends with us and we just thought,
You may as well.
But like, we're not going to come back here for a long time, so we're just like, How long have you worked here?
Not long.
Not long. 3 months, yeah. It's kind of the last thing you need, really.
Do you live around there? Or?
No, we live near, like, live around there, yeah. Anyways, yeah, take care now. Have a good night. Sorry to cause you all that trouble. Success.